y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I want to show you a few of the pieces of the new Happy Planner Fall release. There are over 200 items in this release. It is going to go live on Thursday, September 9th at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And there's a ton of new collections in all kinds of sizes and all kinds of, different feels. And I just want to share a little bit with you. So this is the Miss Maker line, or some of the pieces from the Miss Maker line. Let's start out with the main planner that I received as a member of the Happy Planner Squad. So this is a checklist layout. This is a big size Happy Planner. And on the front, you can see it is super cute. It says, make all the things. Super cute. And then the inside, you have this teal kind of turquoisey color with the florals. I love that. It is a checklist layout. You have the front page. Hello, this Happy Planner belongs to. I love the little scissors and all the stitch marks. That's super cute. And then here is our year at a glance calendar. Very simple. So I'm noticing all you have right here is a little bit of the stitch marks in the middle, but otherwise pretty neutral. A few little yarn pieces or string pieces right there. And then here, I love using this for, if this is your crafting planner, you can put out projects that you're working on. I use this as my family's planner as far as upcoming dates. So that's our kind of perpetual calendar. And then we get into the main layout. So this is called the currently page over here. I love how neutral it is. I love the dot grid for this particular line because if you are a crafter, you might be sketching out projects or ideas. This one says priorities and goals, important dates, and then you have a little blank box right here. So this is super fun. And then look at the gold foil for the January. I know it's kind of hard to see with the light, but you have all of these kind of iconic icons for a craft room. So pretty. And then this is the full layout. So this is the calendar. Again, you have the stitching detail right here. You have the notes and the little pencil, but otherwise very neutral. And they have a few of the holidays marked, including National Sticker Day. Absolutely adorable. So there's your monthly layout. And then here is our weekly layout. So like I said, this is called a checklist layout. Over here it says crafty plans, December, January, very neutral up here. Again, same stitching right down the middle. We have our little icon down here. The lines on the sidebar are that same kind of turquoise color. And then the boxes. So it's like a vertical layout, but instead of just blank boxes, you have the dot grid at the top, and then you have a checklist in the middle, and then the blank box at the bottom. I love this for organizing projects. I think that is just great. I'm definitely considering using this as my work planner for 2022. So it looks like each week during the month we have a different little icon over here. It switches between the yarn and the scissors. On the third week we have a quote, do more of what makes you happy. And then back to the yarn. And 5 weeks in January. There we go. So that is the layout for, this is again the big Miss Maker. This is the checklist layout. Again, February, so we have Create a Happy Life, a beautiful coral color. And then let's see if all the colors, yes, it looks like all the colors are going to be the same. So let's just do a flip through of the dividers. Look at all of the fancy scissors. I think those are so cute. Look at the ones with little birds. That is cute. That's March. For April, it says beautiful things come together one stitch at a time. And you have all of these beautiful stitchings right here. That is super cute. May, create what you love. I love how it has that letterboard feel and all the doodles in the background. This would be fun to kind of color in. I think that's super cute. All right, then we are going to June. Measure twice, cut once. Always very important. So cute. July. If you can't stand the mess, get out of the craft room. That is super cute. I love that. August, beautiful pink again, all the different doodles. September, craftiness is happiness. October, creativity takes courage. So true. November, make all the things. And December, eat, sleep, craft, repeat. And then our last note page here at the back, very simple. In the back it does say Miss Maker, which I think is super cute, plan a happy life. And let's take this off. I'll have to remove that goo a little bit later. And there is the back of the planner. It is on gold metal discs, which is really nice. So it is that deluxe metal disc. And it is super cute. I love it. I'm not used to using a big for my work planner, but I think it probably would work out really well because there are lots of notes and things to do for work. So that is the big 12-month. It starts in January 2022. I also received this undated planner extension. So let's take a look at what this one looks like. Again, this one is sized for the big. Move this over. Too many crafts, too little time. That's super cute. Now this one's a little bit different. We have more color up here. The notes is in color. We have some happy planner discs, and this time the stitching is in this red and pink kind of combination. And same thing, we have a lot more color in the extension pack. So if you check it out, all of the days of the week are in different colors that all go with the flow of Miss Maker. It says crafty plans over here, again the scissors, and then in the actual layout the checklists have different colors in them as well. So all of those are going to be the same for the extension pack. So let's check out the other dividers. Oh, and look at that currently page. Ooh, I like this. Crafty plans, new projects, top priorities. Don't forget, I love this currently page. That is super cute. And then we have this divider. It's all those doodles but colored in this time. That is adorable. And let's check out our next divider. Feeling crafty. Love that. And then we have all of the beautiful deluxe scissors. Super cute. Coming to the back here, and you can use this currently page. You could flip it and put it into the front so you have it currently with your first month. And then you get a folder, which is cute. It says happiness is handmade, and it has all of the stitch patterns on it. And this just snaps into your planner. And then a few stickers that have the days that you can put in your monthly layout, and you can label your dividers with the different months, which is absolutely awesome. So this is the big undated extension for Miss Maker. Okay, something I know a lot of people are excited about, including myself, would be the fact that they released Miss Maker again. I missed the first Miss Maker line, so I'm super glad they released it again. This is the updated sticker book with some fun new kind of retro feel colors. We have all of these great crafting tools. This is on clear sticker paper and has like a gold foil, just super pretty. This is white sticker paper. If at first you don't succeed, just add glitter and keep going. I was crafty when crafty wasn't cool. It's so true. Good things come to those who craft. So cute. Again, this is white sticker paper. I love the circles. Any day spent crafting is a good day. It's very true. Look at these little headers that are the stitches. I think that is adorable to make. I love this sticker book. I love this sticker book. Crafting with friends, art supply shopping. I could put that like on every day. Feeling so crafty. Big sale. That's cute. Oh, look. You can use these to like divide up your projects. Like make for friends, make for family, make as gifts. And I love the little happy planner disc right there. Make all the pretty things. Dream, make, create, inspire. Oh, these are pretty. Lots of gold foil in here. Project details, if you're outlining a particular project. Any day spent crafting is a good day. So true. This is on clear sticker paper, all gold foil. Lots of little icons to decorate with. Again, clear sticker paper, but this one is black. Love the planner and the scrapbook. That is super cute. Now this is on clear, and this is like faux washi. So it's all these little different stitch designs, which is really fun to add to your page. Back to white sticker paper, we have crafty plans, and then some word fetty and phrases. I can make that. That's so true. It's something I say all the time. Some boxes, and this is kind of a fun shape with the arrows. This is on clear sticker paper, all filled in and colored. Some banners, again, foil, and I think this is on clear. Yeah, these are clear right here. So that'll be pretty coming through. Oh, I love this. This is on clear with all of the gold foiling. More crafty ideas. I like the long boxes. Here, this one is on clear again. So these will be kind of translucent when you put them on your page. Back to white sticker paper. These are kind of monthly size boxes. Craft all weekend. It's a maker's weekend. Those are adorable. You are what you make. Again, we're still on white sticker paper here. Those are cute. Those are a lot of great boxes for just organizing what you are crafting and what you're working on. I have too much washi, said no crafter ever. It's true. Love it. I like those layered boxes. That's very pretty. Some more boxes, projects with the days of the week. Lots of vertical boxes here. And these are actually on clear, which I don't know that I've seen vertical boxes on clear before. So that is different. Queen of the Craft Room. And that is it for the Miss Maker sticker book. Okay, so like I said, there's actually a ton in the Miss Maker line, so make sure to check out my other squad mates. Everyone got different stuff, so if you want to see some flip throughs, I will try to link all of their YouTube channels down below so you can check those out. The release happens on September 9th at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I will link these products, and I'll link the whole Miss Maker line below so you can head to the website and check it out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Like I said, we'll link everything down below. A huge shout out to my Scrappy YouTube friends. Thank you so much for all of your monthly support. If you are interested in finding out how to become a Scrappy YouTube member, then make sure to click that join button or check out the link in the description box. All right, I hope you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.